Born to die upon Calvary, Jesus suffered my sin to forgive. Born to die upon Calvary, He was wounded that I might live. On the night Christ was born, just before break of dawn, as the stars in the sky were fading, o'er the place where He lay fell a shadow cold and gray of a cross that would humble a king.
Jesus knew when He would suffer and shame. He could feel every pain and sorrow.
But He left paradise, with His blood He paid the price. My redemption to Jesus I owe. Born to die upon Calvary, Jesus suffered my sin to forgive. Born to die upon Calvary, He was wounded that I might live.
From His cross, Jesus came, laid aside heaven's fame, in exchange for the cross of Calvary. For my pain suffered loss, for my sin He bore the cross.
He was wounded and I was set free. He restored evermore. May Thy cross I adore as I follow the